Hello students, welcome to the topic of fillet weld T-joint on mild steel sheet 3 mm thick in horizontal position by deep transfer 2F. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare plate pieces to size as per drawing, set and tack weld the plate in alignment as T-joint as per drawing, set the T-joint in horizontal position for welding, deposit the bead with appropriate amount of filler metal. Clean and inspect for surface defects on weld and bead appearance.
This topic involves the use of several tools and equipment. Here are the main tools commonly used. Steel rule, lighter, wire brush, hand grinder, bastard file, second cut file, tri-square, leather apron, leather hand gloves, leg guard, safety shoes, welding helmet, safety goggles, chipping hammer, welding screen, MIG welding set, CO2 gas cylinder, filler wire feeder, MIG welding torch. Process: wear protective clothings. Cut the sheet by shearing machine as per drawing. Grind and file the edges of sheet to square. Deburr and clean the surface of the plates by carbon steel wire brush and filing. Set the plate A on the plate B in the form of T as per drawing. Connect the torch to the positive terminal of the machine. Set current to 90 to 100 amperes corresponding via feeding rate 3 to 4 maximum or minimum, 19 to 20 arc voltage and deposit the root run using dip transfer mode. Tack weld minimum 10 mm length on both ends of the T-joint. Clean the surface of the plates by carbon steel wire brush. Weld the T-joint by using 0.8 mm diameter mild steel filler wire. Ensure good leg length and even fusion of plates. Avoid undercut. Ensure the edges of the plate is not melted off due to excessive weaving. Ensure there is no undercut at the other toe of the lap weld-on plate. Clean the bead by wire brush. After checking there is no defects like overlap, undercut, penetration, distortion, and it is a good bead profile.
The topic involves preparing plate pieces to size as per drawing. Set and tack weld the plate in alignment as T-joint as per drawing. Set the T-joint in horizontal position for welding. Deposit the bead with appropriate amount of filler metal. Clean and inspect for surface defects on weld and bead appearance. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.